Now, this is a picture of a young boy at the age of 10. This is probably 18 months ago now. Now, this particular cream, which I blended with shea butter, coconut oil, and I added lavender and later on frankincense for its healing and repair properties as essential oils to this cream when my daughter suffered terribly from eczema. Now, she had, and in fact, that's my daughter, Christina. And she's the inspiration behind Carol's Organic Kitchen. And we've been on an amazing journey. Christina, I want you to come up here for a moment. Christina's doing so much better, and seeing her coming leaps and bounds. This is why I do what I do. I'm passionate about what I do, and I share what I do. And she's a living testimony. I don't want to cry. She's a living testimony of what changing our lifestyle to holistic lifestyle, changing our diet in terms of even mental health, because it's not something you can see. It's not like a broken arm or leg. And my daughter she's been an amazing driving force behind Carol's Organic Kitchen. She's a talented videographer, photographer, filmmaker. And if it wasn't for her and my son, who really helped me to build Carol's Organic Kitchen as a business to share this with you, I probably wouldn't be standing here today. So thank you to both of Anthony and Christina. I've lost my thread. What was I saying? So Caleb, let's go back to this. Is a boy called Caleb. And his mother came to me for this cream. Christina had really like a dark neck, dry, scaly, patchy back, almost leathery looking. She had dark marks in her flexures within her arms and the backs of her knees. Very dry, sore, cracked, scaly skin. And on using the cream, and of course it's incorporated with eating clean. There's not one to, so when you're eating clean, these things can actually help progress the positive results. And this cream, and many people who are not even eating clean, don't ask me how it's happening, but it is happening for them as well, with eczema, psoriasis, dry skin conditions, uneven skin tone, operational scars, somebody reported back to me, and she hadn't even asked for the cream for that. But for my daughter, it had begun to take away all those unsightly marks from her body, which was quite amazing. But not only that, what was really, really quite remarkable was that she'd stopped itching, because the soothing properties of, I think it's a combination of these ingredients, particularly the lavender, which is soothing, stopped her from scratching and causing that cycle of breaking the skin, which then caused infection, which caused more flare-ups. So she was able to heal and overcome eczema altogether. And a mother came to me asking for this particular cream for her dry, hard hands. We were having a conversation about what this cream has done. And her son, 10-year-old boy called Caleb, had overheard our conversation and thought to himself that perhaps this could solve his problem too. But I want you to hear Caleb's story in his own words, and I'm going to play you the video of Caleb's story now. So, hi Caleb.
Hello.
Caleb, you actually use one of my handmade body butters, and can you tell everyone why you wanted to use it specifically? Because I mentioned to your mother that it was quite a good cream for sort of conditioning the skin, and it also fades marks, but you had quite a significant prominent mark on your neck, which was like highly pigmented, had a very pinkish tone to it, and you used it. And can you talk about the cream and how it helped you and why you wanted to use it?
And to start off, the main reason why I wanted to use it is so, you know, when I play football, like in the summer, you know, I just wear a top and the thing, and when I'm running, people come up to me and ask, what's that on your neck? And I have to say it's like a rash, and I kind of felt conscious about it. So then I thought maybe this will take away the rash, the ringworm. So I took it, and then it's worked wonders for me. So yeah.
So let's just take a look at the back of your neck, because I have some pictures and I just want to show people exactly what it actually has done, because I have a before picture. But if I could just turn you around, if you don't mind. Thank you, my love. And look, it's gone completely. I can't even tell you what side it was on. Can you point out where it was?
Yeah.
There.
I can feel
And
the left finger when it left. But yeah, it's completely gone. You can feel it, but you can't see it.
No, you can't. You cannot see it at all. The mark has gone completely. So Caleb.
And it was growing up into his hairline.
So your mother said it was going up into your hairline as well. How long did you use my cream for before it started to disappear?
For like a couple of days. It wasn't a week, but like a couple of days.
And how long before it completely disappeared?
Like on the 4th to 5th day.
On the 4th to 5th day, it
Yeah.
completely disappeared.
Yeah.
And I had to come over to your mum's to see for myself, because I couldn't believe it. So I know you're extremely happy. Your mum's told me that you're feeling a lot more happier about it, and I'm pleased for you as well. Thank you very much, Caleb. Thank you for talking to me. Have a great day, okay?
You too.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Such a lovely boy, Caleb is. And he actually lives locally in White City. And as I said, I run workshops. The mother heard about my cream and she wanted it for her hands. And this is the result. And I was so pleased for him, because he would cover it up when he was playing football. People would ask him all the time, well, what it was. And he was very self-conscious, only 10 years old. So you can imagine how delighted I was for him.